Hi, I'm Eldin. I'm from Zook Town, as you can see.
My name is Roz. I'm also from Zook Town. Zook Town is essentially a community of people who are all about Zook and just live the Zook life. Whatever you can do to Zook, we do it.
So recently, Zook Town has started thinking of sound editing. Firstly, you're going to be stripping this car down to the metal. A lot of people find this quite intimidating. That's why we started this. So we'll end up coming out to the people. We'll be applying the product and putting the car back together.
Yeah, so let's get started.
When removing the plastic panel, always just keep in mind you still have your 12-volt socket connected. So just remove it while you work. You can just leave it there. Just remember to put them back. Otherwise you're stripping twice.
A lot of people don't know this, but underneath this nice soft carpet, there's a big tin can. So what the product does is it lowers the resonance frequency of the material that it's attached to.
What we're doing now is we're cutting the templates. We pre-cut them to just make them fit a bit more snug. Sounds horrible. There we go. No clip's broken. We hang it, and then we just align the door panels into the right places, and then you will just start popping them back in. Alright, that's the sound deadening done. The Wolfie the Jimny was the first of many to come. If any one of you guys are interested in getting sound deadening in your Jimny done, hit us up, Instagram, Facebook. You can contact me or us. We're on all the social groups. We can help you guys out.